Greetings to everyone. So today I will present my topic. We had developed a website named as Finance Management System. So let's start. So this is the login page of our website. So initially, when you put the login data into the login page at that time, like this is already defined in our database. So first, let's start. Let's begin with the signing. So let's sign in. So here, as we have signed in, so there are the various things, and this is the basically the financial dashboard of our website where we can see our total balance, total income, total expenses, and what is our saving rate. So let us understand that how it works. So first thing is that we can decide our monthly budget here. Suppose if a person has income of 50,000 and he want to expense about 40,000 on regular basis. So let's put so whenever this is the budget for our monthly income. Now let us add any transaction into it. So we will go to like suppose we have to pay school salary, and the amount of salary is 10,000. And this will be our expense. It will not be our income as we can directly so because this is the money which we are spending. So now this will come under education and we will add transaction. Now what we can see here that our total balance showing here is 10,000 means and total income because we had not earned something that will be deducted from the monthly budget because we has reduced that much amount of money which has been spent on school fee and that will be deducted from the monthly budget. And now suppose we earn something like that we can add one more transaction and suppose that we had earned about $20,000 and when we add the transaction that it will be added in such a way that we will earning something too. So a person can track that how much money he or she is receiving. So let's first add it. Uh, so freelance, yeah, add transaction. So here we can say that the income, now that income part is will also be there and it will be good for us. Now let us understand about the another part of our website. So that part will be transaction. So the transaction basically shows you that at what time or at what date you had particularly earned something or you are being given your money at what place. So this is basically your all transaction details, or you can also say these are the bills which one can see. And you can also export this because you can have a you can download these transactions on regular basis. So it's quite easy to track your transaction. Now we have one more thing which is calculator. And in this calculator, one can see that what are the different SPI or compound interest which one can be using while paying the loans or while investing certainly in the stock market. And also let us see what how it works. So like our monthly contribution in it is will be like 5,000 rupees, and the expected amount this is in percent. So let us understand that return percentage is 10%, and for how much time we want our money to be invested. So it will be like 5 years. At that time, if you invested a total money of $300,000 and the estimated return on that money will be 90,000. So it will be around 3,90,411 with the interest of 10% per annum. So this will be all right, and we can also get to know about loan EMI calculator. And this in this we can basically have that like suppose we have loan of around uh, 1 lakh, and the interest on that loan is 8.5, and the total years till what we have to pay that loan. So we have the summary that how much amount of money we have to pay, that what extra money we are charging while taking the loan. So all this kind of trends we will know. So let us go on market news. So market news is basically nothing. It is the all about now the page is not loading. Just wait some time, wait for some time. Now it is loaded. So basically, it has all the market news, all the trends which is going on in the finance market, and one can easily see the what are the various prices of different stocks at the particular time. So let's see. Like now, the Nvidia stock tumbles despite double beat. All this kind of news, one can easily have a track of all these news. And also, let's skip this part. Now we have another like the financial literacy. So the financial literacy, it is basically nothing. It is basically the some different features and master your money with these simple fundamental rules. This is the basically rules or the different information which one can inherit in his or her life to master the financial world, and that's it. So this is all about our project. And for the database part, we have created one user named as GM. That user is here. One can see easily that a user is being created by us only. So that's all about our project. So we have implemented both backend and front end, and we are using our database too. So it's all about our project. Thanks for watching.